This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Dean Baumgartner. 4-bed 2.5-bath 1-car garage on half-plus acre lot with park-like setting in Rocky Point. Plenty of room for pool and amp, detached garage/workshop. Bring your toys. Room for boat/RV. Great neighborhood for golf carts. Vaulted ceilings in family and amp, dining room. Spacious open kitchen with breakfast bar, eat-in kitchen and amp, formal dining room. Large 12x26 enclosed Florida room. Architectural shingle roof installed in 2002 and amp, AC replaced in 2015. County water available at the street, Aprox. $2,560, currently on well and amp, septic. Zone sprinkler system on well. Close proximity to Maggy's Hammock Park with playground and amp, Twin Rivers Park, great place to go fishing. For more information, review the details below or contact Dean Baumgartner at 772-692-8895.